We all want great education for our children. We all want holistic development of our children. We all want our children to do excellent in their lives in the future. We all send our children to schools. How do we know which school is good? How do we know whether the school is doing good or not? How do we know whether the school will help our children excel in their life or not? So what is it that we have to look at when we are evaluating a school? Whether it is to enroll our children or to change our children to a different school or to check whether our school is doing good or not. A school should have processes and the ecosystem and a routine to help children develop in 5 different dimensions. Number 1, physical dimension. School should do something every day that makes the child stronger physically, because we have all studied a sound mind and a sound body. Number 2, intellectual development. A school should provide opportunities for children to develop a wide range of intellectual capabilities, not just teaching them what they have to learn and evaluating them only on that dimension. Number 3, emotional development. Emotionally, the child should become stable. The child should be able to handle all the ups and downs of emotions and should be able to adjust with everybody else and come to a state of balance when there are disturbances. Number 4, social dimension. The child should be provided with opportunities to expand their understanding of the society, to interact with people from across the sections of the society and become well adjusted and well accepted. Number 5, spiritual dimension. The depth of understanding about their own self makes them capable of handling all the different stressful situations in life. So all these 5 dimensions should be something that the school is facilitating on a daily basis for the children. Speaking about holistic development and putting it out in your hoardings, in your pamphlets, in your advertisements is not enough. A school, unless it has proper ecosystem, the routine which will help the students develop on all these 5 dimensions, it is of no sense. It doesn't make any contribution to the welfare of the children or to the development of the children. Talking about these dimensions doesn't help, but doing something about it on a daily basis will help your children. So look at these 5 dimensions, see whether these things are being done, whether something is being done on all these dimensions, and choose a school wisely. If the school is having gaps in delivering on all these 5 dimensions, you educate yourself and help your children develop on all these 5 dimensions. All the best. Your children will have a great future. Namaste.